Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. AI cameras reduced the roads accidents in Kerala. AI cameras installed under Safe Kerala project in month of June this year. Kerala Transport Minister Antony Raju says, after the installation of AI cameras, number of road accidents, death and injuries have reduced compared to last year. AI cameras identifies traffic violation which includes helmetless and seatbelt-less rides, use of mobile phones while driving, jumping traffic signals. The Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati today launched an online Bachelor of Science Honours degree program in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence on Coursera. Interested students can apply at the official website iitt.ac.in to apply for this program. As per the official schedule, the applications for the BSc Honours in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence program will commence on 19th July 2023, and classes are scheduled to start in October 2023. AI now also be a part of wedding. A Colorado couple, Reece Wiench and Deyton Truitt, got married last week. It is to be noted that their wedding was graced by a poignant welcome speech and closing remarks to the audience by an AI-powered machine. The speaker was stationed between the groom and bride along with a robotic C-3PO-like mask resting on top of it. The newlyweds conducted this unique wedding as their state does not require any licensed marriage official to perform a marriage ceremony. A recent study conducted by the Union Ministry of Communications using artificial intelligence has revealed that of the 87.85 crore mobile connections analysed across India, 40.87 lakh numbers, that is 0.47%, were obtained using fake documents. The country has a total subscriber base of 131 crore in 22 of licensed service area circles, and in phase 1 only 87.85 crore connections were analysed. Google is embarking on an exhilarating venture with the introduction of Gemini, a groundbreaking project that has the potential to revolutionize the AI industry. Unveiled at this year's Google I/O conference, there is significant anticipation surrounding Gemini's ability to surpass the performance of current AI systems, including OpenAI's ChatGPT. Gemini operates under the vision of tackling various data and tasks without relying on specialized models. It promises to generate unparalleled content that goes beyond the confines of its training data, marking a significant leap in the field of AI. That's all for now in AI to Z. Do give your opinion on show. See you next time in a new show with some new information. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.